This is Aruna from Quality Department. Just a feedback interview, Suhail. We'll start.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, introduce about yourself, Suhail.
Ma'am, myself Mohammed Suhail. Ma'am, I'm basically from Kunigal. I completed my graduation in CIT College, Tumkur. And recently I have joined CMTA and I completed the Advanced Construction Management.
Okay, like what and all you learned in CMTI? You said that you took the courses Advanced Construction Management, right? What and all the syllabus, content?
Yeah, ma'am. In CMTA I learned many things like project quality assurance, quality, and many things like sequence of construction methodologies and softwares like AutoCAD, SketchUps, and Excel, in which I learned many things in construction management training. So which helps me to gain many things.
Okay. Like, what about the trainers? How was the trainers' approach to you? Like, what are the doubts you asked? Did they clear? Then, how was the trainer in CMTI?
Regarding trainers are very good, man. Really, it helps me a lot to gain the knowledge because of trainers. The trainers were very close to us. They were not like teachers with us. Especially like Natarajan sir, Mumshi sir, Aram sir. They're all very good. They have all good interaction with us. So we never feel that they are trainers. We feel that we are friends, and the interaction was very good, which helps to gain the.
Okay. Then, what about the sites and all during internship? How was your site visits?
Yeah, ma'am. Regarding site was we visited many site visits. They gave us many site visit opportunities, so we can get the practical knowledge about the constructions. Ma'am, we visited many sites. Regarding theory classes, many of the site visits were also held here.
Okay. Then, what about the CMTI app? How did CMTI app help you?
Ma'am, CMT app was very good, in which we can learn the things after completion of course also, and in free time when we get doubts and all, it will helps in anything. So we can clarify our doubts and we can rewatch the things. Uh,
Okay. Yeah, like you couldn't miss any session.
no,
Okay. Then how was the interview process and all, Suhail? How did you crack the interview?
ma'am, interview process was really good. There were only one round in interview, ma'am. They took an interview, face-to-face interview, in which they asked basic questions, which I have learned here in CMTI. The CMTI Construction Management Advanced, the course helped me a lot to crack the interview, ma'am.
Okay. How was the coordination by the staffs of CMTI? How did they help you while admission, then the placement? How was their coordination?
Ma'am, the coordination was really good. They gave us full support for in training also, and after during the process of placements also, and after placement also the interaction was very good. The process was same as was in beginning.
Okay. I hope you had a good experience in CMTI.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Then what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
Yeah, ma'am. This regarding civil engineer, it's very important to learn the practical knowledge as well as the basic knowledge in construction, ma'am. So I insist every and I give an advice for every junior so that they can grow their career in construction. So they want to know the basic knowledge. So the advanced construction management training is one of the good platform for them to learn and lead their career in construction management.
Okay. Then do you recommend PES and CMTI?
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you recommend refer PES and CMTI?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Cyril, that was a good feedback, and thanks for your time. Once
Thank you.
again, congrats for your placement and all the best for
Thank you.
your future, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.